Step inside one of the most advanced industrial snake meat processing facilities. Every detail is designed for hygiene and precision.
Live snakes arrive through controlled intake systems. Each batch is logged for traceability.
Controlled immobilization ensures safety for both animals and staff.
Sensors monitor stress and ensure humane handling.
Automated handling begins the processing sequence. Each snake is thoroughly cleaned with food-grade sanitation methods.
Precision machinery prepares uniform cuts for processing. Cutting is fully automated and monitored for consistency.
Each portion passes through automated check weighers to verify weight. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness and extends shelf life.
X-ray inspection ensures product safety and detects foreign objects.
Barcodes track every portion through the cold chain. Shock chilling locks in quality immediately after processing. Cold storage maintains the optimal temperature. Refrigerated transport ensures traceable, safe delivery.
Each step is documented for compliance with hygiene standards.
Quality is verified before any cooking begins.
Portions arrive at high-end restaurant kitchens ready for preparation. The product is handled under strict hygiene protocols.
Cuts are prepared consistently for cooking. Seasoning is applied precisely to enhance flavor. Cooking begins with exact temperature control.
Sautéing preserves texture and moisture.
Heat releases aroma and flavor. Presentation reflects the care taken in every step.
Flavor is checked for consistency.
Final touches complete the dish. The result demonstrates modern industrial precision and culinary tradition. Sanitation is maintained continuously. Waste management is fully automated. Data-driven quality control ensures product safety.
Operators supervise every automated step.
Traceability continues through distribution.
The factory operates efficiently from start to finish.
Cold chain integrity is maintained during transport. Packages are stored safely to preserve freshness. delivery begins to high-end restaurants.
Restaurants verify compliance before cooking.
Hygiene remains critical in professional kitchens.
Cuts are uniform for presentation.
Cooking is precise to maintain quality.
Sensory quality is monitored during cooking.
Presentation matches culinary standards.
Visual appeal complements flavor.
Taste confirms success of the process.
Ready for service in a restaurant?
Dishes move carefully from kitchen to table.
Every step is part of a controlled, traceable workflow.
Customers experience modern culinary preparation.
Flavor reflects industrial precision and hygiene.
Workstations are cleaned and sanitized after each batch.
Automation ensures hygiene is never compromised.
End of processing cycle.
Every component works together seamlessly.
Traceability provides accountability at all stages. Cold chain storage maintains freshness until final delivery.
Traditional ingredients meet modern industrial standards.
Inside the modern Anaconda snake meat factory, precision, hygiene, and culinary art come together.